Ray White Coffs Harbour are proud to introduce The Knoll on the banks of the Yarrumbulum River. Held by the same family for the past 131 years, this unique homestead is established on a tad over 54 hectares of prime waterfront land. Experience the peace of mind and benefits that come with over 1 kilometre of river frontage and the multitude of options provided by a 52 megalitre pumping licence. A combination of fertile river flats and gently forested slopes pocketed with remnants of littoral rainforest. It also shares borders with Miram Creek and the Bindari National Park, with endless kilometres of tracks for you to explore. The charming entry is a prelude to the Great Hall. The Great Hall, a central hub for family gatherings, with polished tallow wood floors and a grand fireplace. 3 beautifully restored vintage French doors lead you out into the long room. This is the ideal spot to enjoy your afternoon tea or read a book. The expansive north wing could be your parents' retreat or transform into B&B accommodation. With such a flexible floor plan and the additional outbuildings, there is a real potential for income from farm stay accommodation. Large covered verandas on 2 sides hide little nooks to enjoy and overlook heritage gardens. This fantastic opportunity is only a 25-minute drive from Coffs Harbour's lovely beaches, airport, modern hospital and restaurants. For further information or to book a viewing, please contact Ray White Real Estate Coffs Harbour.